What's the meaning of coterie? Coterie. Coterie.
Coterie. Coterie. Coterie refers to a small, exclusive group of people with shared interests or tastes. This word often carries connotations of superiority or snobbery, as the members of a coterie may be seen as elitist or cliquish. Coterie can be used to describe social groups, artistic circles, or professional networks that are characterized by their tightly knit nature and the sense of exclusivity that they create. Overall, coterie conveys the idea of a closely bonded group that is united by a common identity or purpose, but which may be inaccessible or aloof to outsiders.